Yo guys, what is up? First of all, I'd like to say thank you for 78 subscribers. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to read and write text files in Python. So first, we write this statement over here with open storage.txt will be the name of our file, w to write, and as file will be our variable. And then we will write file.write input, and then now if we run this, what you will see is file will be created called storage.txt. If we click it, then we'll see our input that we had from our terminal inside the file. Now what we can do is create a statement to read from the file and display the input in the terminal. So we just use the same statement and change w to r, and then we create a variable called contents equals file.read, and now we can simply write a print statement, and this will print the content from our input into our terminal. Now if we write something, press enter, and as you can see, the contents of the file is returned in the terminal. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.